So today I'm gonna walk through a new construction in Falls Church, Virginia. And I was here before they put the drywall, but I am so curious to see how it looks now. So hopefully we can see the whole thing. Sometimes during the construction phase, they won't allow due to the safety. So let's see, I don't have a hard hat, but hopefully should be okay. So anyway, let me go ahead and flip this thing for you guys to see. All right, so here we are. This is a modern, I would say modern, somewhat of a transitional style home, the exterior part of it. And I believe the total square feet is going to be between 4,000 and 4,500, but I'm not 100% sure yet. So I probably should go through. I can't go up the steps because it's not leveled for me, and I have to just kind of hike up there. So it's easier for me to go through the garage. Okay, so 2-car garage, and let's see. So you come in, closet here, and this is a office, actually, a home office, and coat closets here, and then you come top to bottom. So let's see. So over here on the left is the kitchen. So as you can see, the plugs for the kitchen counter, around kitchen counters, and the kitchen, that's probably where the sink is going to go. And then over here, it's pretty nice and open. Again, that's pretty good. That's pretty good space. I thought it might be smaller for the 4,000 or 4,500 square feet. The living room looks good. Look at this, the beautiful windows from floor to almost ceiling, which is very in. And these are new designs. And you got the fireplace there, and then so family room, living room, and then you have your dining area, all connected, open concept, and of course door to the back. And I'm just gonna see if I don't want to open the door. It doesn't have a handle yet. So nice deck, and all right, lots of recessed lights. Love that. And the front is, so this is the front door. Let's see, probably powder room is somewhere around here. This is the powder room where it's gonna go. And I guess this is a coat closet too. Yeah. All right, so let's go up. All right, here we go. I love to see how they're going to finish it. All the finishes is what makes the house very exciting. So I'm sure this is a big opening right now, but it's going to be railing put around it. So it's a entrance that has a 2-story ceiling height for you. And this must be the owner's suite. Pretty good. A closet. And then you come here is a his and hers. Typically what they say. So 2 closets, walk-in closets, and the owner's bathroom. So probably on this wall is where the double vanity will go. And yeah. And the shower is pretty deep and big, actually. That's good job. They maintained it. Yeah, look at that. Nice cut in as well. And then this is the toilet closet. And I believe they probably are separating sort of his and hers vanity. So I think that's another one goes in here, and this one Or actually, maybe this is where the tub is. I don't know. So I couldn't. Maybe that's a soaking or jet tub. I don't know yet. But hopefully, I can come back and see the finished. Okay, so we're out in the upper level, and we just finished looking at the owner's suite. There is a door to the balcony outside, which is super cute. Love it. You see a lot of these designs now pop in. They have a lot of balconies on the top floors, bedroom level, or even a rooftop. So those are adorable. And let's see. Okay, so must be, all right, yeah, this is another room, another bedroom with its own walk-in closet, okay? Then let's see, next door is a full bathroom. It's gonna go here. They put the tub already. And then this is another bedroom. And then this one has its own full bathroom. So that's super cute. It's got a walk-in closet over there. Oh, pretty high ceilings. That's nice. Okay. Let's see. Then around the corner. Okay, right here we have the laundry room. Perfect. And then coming over here, a little closet linen or hallway closet. And then this is so that makes a 4. This is the 4th bedroom. Pretty good size too, actually. Not bad. I'm impressed how well the design is. And it's got 2 closets here. Love it. Yeah, I mean, this is definitely a nicely designed room. And I would say rooms, I can't tell if any of them are smaller than others. I can't tell which one is probably, maybe this one is a little bit, but yet this is kind of a perfect square, looks like. But anyway, they're all good size. So 4 bedroom upstairs, and let's go down. All right. Here we go. And new construction homes, there are so many options and so many routes to take, meaning that if someone is interested to have a new house, you can buy it from a builder. That's the one option. You can buy an old house, knock it down, and hire a builder to do it. And so, or you can just build on your existing lot where you live. So there's definitely a lot of options. Each option has its own pros and cons. Just like I always love to educate people. You have to know what's involved. So, all right, let me see. So we're in the basement. We came down. And so they've got recessed lights. So I would say this is kind of a common area. And then let's see what this is. They've got a room. This is not a bedroom, but a room. Whether that's a gym, you can turn it into a theater room, or what else, or a home office. This one is a utility room. I don't know where the light is, but I'm not gonna look for it anyway. So, utility room. Then you have a full bathroom. Actually, yeah, it's pretty nice size, I would say. Okay, and then you have the 5th bedroom down here. You see how that window is? There are certain rules to calling a room a legal bedroom, okay? So that needs to be looked at and paid attention to. You don't want to pay for something that, if somebody advertising it for 5 bedrooms, whereas in reality it's 4 legal bedrooms. Okay, and this is other living space. Let me see, what would they use this for? I guess oh, I see. This looks like another kitchenette or bar or wet bar goes in here. I can tell again because of the outlets you see. And then there is a sink gonna go right there. So this is super cute. Super cute. So here it is, a wet bar, a living space here, living room area, and there is also a second living room. You can spread out easily, and the nice feature of it is that there is a door, a French door, to outside, and of course it's a walk up. You walk up to the backyard. So super cute. Let me see. Again, it's super cute. I'm so amazed how well they designed it and how many bedrooms and good spaces they could fit in this house. To me, it doesn't look that big from outside, but maybe because it's not finished completely. So, let's see, I'm trying to find my way here. So that's the foyer, and I'm walking in the main level, the family room, dining room area. So this is beautiful. I can't wait to see what the finished product looks like, and hopefully I can come back and show you guys the finished version of it. And again, this house is in Falls Church. Those people who are interested in building, there are really 3 options. Again, let's review them. You can go directly buy from a builder. You can knock down your own house and build on that lot that you currently own and live. Or you can basically buy a property where you don't live in and knock that down or tear it down, or hire a builder to do that work for you. Each option has pros and cons. You've got to think about it. You've got to talk and consult with experienced people. And in my line of business, what I have surrounded myself with experts in the field. So I am always able to reach out to the resources I have to get some sort of answers for my clients or make an introduction. And I'll be happy to do that for anyone who's interested. But please message me, reach out to me if you do have any questions, anything in particular about new construction, whether it's in Falls Church, whether it's in Loudoun County, just reach out. It's pretty much similar. The concept is similar, but there are a lot of things to think about and budget-wise to consider. Until next time, bye-bye.